Hello everyone. Today we are going to recommend Huawei Enterprise Support. As we all know that this is a one good platform for all Huawei users, customers to get knowledge about Huawei products, and we can interact each other, learn about it. So let's get started with the sign up. Actually, this is the main page which we are looking right now. But before making login or sign up, we can use any invitation link. So let's start with this link and it will show you how to sign up. First, you can click over the register and we need to fill some basic details like this is my ID Shamim Ahmed, for example, and then I have email ekkai01. Okay, now we can see this ID is already been taken, so we can add 123 just to make it some unique one. So it's available. You can see the green tick over here, and the email address is very simple for us. Okay, and the password I'm selecting something different, and I'm not going to tell you, by the way. I'm just putting some little information about myself. Country is Pakistan. Right now I'm not putting any phone number. I'll add later on. So this code is little bit unreadable, so I can select some other one. Let's try other one. So this is something visible for me. So you can see it's good to go. Click on the register. Now you should see all green boxes. Now you can see that you got an email for invitation link. Let's move to the our Gmail. Okay, so I can see there's an email over there from Huawei HWSSO, Huawei single sign-on. You need to click on that link, so your account will be activated. And as soon as you click on this link, it will give you some privacy policy with that advantage of one coin. We'll discuss what is these coin are, and then you need to accept this, and you can agree. Okay, after the privacy policy, there's an agreement between you and the Huawei just to share your knowledge and information. So you can read and as well as agree. So you are good to go and you are on the platform. Now this platform is telling you something about what are these buttons, what are the basically this is a user guide, but we are going to have some information about all that stuff. So uh, first of all, this is our homepage. So I'll categorize some parts. This is a main search area. You can search whatever field you are looking for. Some information. Average solution time for any query is less than 10 hours. Believe me, it is less than 10 hours, but it is an average value. Right now, there is more than 216,000 users and almost 60,000 discussions with 22 people are online right now. So back to the platform. This is the main page. You can see the search bar over here. Then we have four different types. Every products are listed over there: routing and switching, cloud, wireless LAN access. And then we have a certification area. You can search for any certification related information. Then the product tools and the general community where you can find news, events, and general community. After that, there is an area where the blocks are shown. After that, there's a very good area for the posts which are normally recommended nowadays, the latest post and the latest question answers being asked on the platform. Below that, there is a one giant picture which shows current activities. This is a one of the great features that multiple activities are being conducted at the platform. You can participate in that activities, you can interact, you can learn, and you can earn as well. So let's suppose we click on this one on the next step, and you will see this is one activity which is going on, which has three different parts. Currently, we are working on the phase one, which is for the recommendation. And what we are doing right now, we are recommending you Huawei support community website. So this is one example I just shown you. Let's back to the main page again. There's a one top bar. This is community, all the communities. This is the main page, and then we can click on the form. You can see a different part of the form, like you have a product related part, then you have certification part, then you have service product, and then community part. For example, if I want to learn something about cloud, let's go to the cloud community. This is a form for the cloud. You can see different posts of cloud. So we can get any knowledge about the cloud over here. So if you want any other forum, you can just switch to that window and you can go to access network and all the information related to the access network, FTTH, airport, everything is being shown over here. You can ask question by clicking on it, and you can share your knowledge by the post, and all information are being shown over here. Okay, let's get back to the main page. And there is one more very good advantage is block and collections. All the blocks which are highlighted, which are good to read, are mentioned over here. You can easily find your required information from this section. Then there's a great option of rewards. You can learn as well as you can earn as well. You can get all these Amazon vouchers, HCI and SP voucher if you have HiCoins. So what are the HiCoins? For every activity or for every reward, you will get some points. It's HiCoin is like a digital currency, but definitely it's not a physical one. It's a logical one. Like for example, I have login. I got one HiCoin. If I post something, I'll get two HiCoins. If I reply and comment, I'll get two HiCoins. So when I got at least 725 HiCoin, then I can redeem that HiCoin with the Amazon voucher. Normally it is 725 HiCoins for $25. So this is one of the most you can say added advantage for the product. Then there's a list of top members which are contributing at the on the higher side, like some are MV, some are HCI, some are external moderator. And then they also have a honor ranking. Like if you do good, you will rank on the higher side. Like these are the user which are top solvers. These are the users who shares valuable contribution for the last 1 month. You can filter for 3 months, for 6 months, or the years, whatever you like to have. Like these are the users. Premium blogger, the user who writes blog with a very high good quality, or these like for last month. If you click on the last 3 months, then you can see these three users are top uh, gold, silver, and bronze position. So this was a simple, you can say, introduction. The last part is our user part. If you click on the name on your profile, you can change name as well. Definitely it's your nickname. So you can change your name over from here. You need to add information. Like for example, if I add it over here, I can select a nickname, but remember, it will be done only once. So I put the same name which I put a username, and then you can select information about yourself. There you can add your contact details. I put the same email address. You can change and then click on I have read, because by adding the information about yourself you will get the point as well. And then there is a notification bar. Your all comments mentioned are shown here. Then the post, all the posts you written will be showing here. If you want to favorite some post, it will be available here. Then the subscription of your blogs. Then chat, you can connect with your peers, with other users by using the chat features. And then the connections, if you follow some people, all the list will be available here. And the important thing is that your points will be shown like this. For example, let me show you one little activity and then we will get back. For example, I just put one comment. I can write thanks for the activity. I will be I will be parties and I just put the comment. You can do two comments and two reply, and you will get the points. And you can see, because this is my first comment, then I got two experiences as well. And the experiences are the one which are used to make you level up. Right now, you can see I have one high coin and zero experience. But as soon as I refresh, then I got two high coins, one for comment, one for daily login, and two for the experience because it has been done on the first time. Very important thing is to post something which you know. It could be the technical case, it could be troubleshooting case, it could be your some funny incident, but it should provide some knowledge to the other peers. So you will click the post, and you will select which type of post is this. Is it a related to the product and technology, or certification, or general community? Let's see. I said for the general community, and then select which type. Is it for general community, or is it some news and info, the event? I select general community, and category could be like discussion. So my first post, I write, hello fellows. Okay, I have written some little post, and then um, I can share with some tag. Right now I'm not going for any text, and just post. Because this is my first post on the forum, so I'll get three experience and two high coins. Normally you only get two high coins for any post. Or you can ask some question as well. How can you ask some question? Either you go to the community, or write, ask for help, and you can ask any question, and you will be amazed to see every person in the community or the admins, MVs, moderators, they will going to answer you. They will try to help you. For example, I said I want to ask a question about cloud. I select product and technology, then I select cloud and big data, and then definitely subcategories ask for it. So my question is regarding Huawei Cloud. Huawei Cloud benchmarking. Hello, please share some benchmarking of Huawei Cloud. Okay, now I just put a simple question regarding Huawei Cloud. So same, I can give some reward like a HiCoin. I'll give one HiCoin if somebody answers me, and then I could add some text and then I post. So now we are good to go to use that platform, and we know how to post, how to roam around that uh, community website, and how to use it. Just one little trick which will be beneficial for you, um, how to get more high coins and more experiences and move to the level one. I'll show you in a just a minute. Before that, I got three notifications. You can see a bell, and there is a three number written over here. If I click on this three number, then I'll see there would be three notifications waiting for me. One is from the subscription, and two from the notices. Like somebody has liked my post, and I got two notifications from the system. That uh, that is visible over here. Now, right now, I'm in the level one. It is not mentioned over. It is by default. So there are three steps which we can do, and we can easily get to the level one. For example, we can create one post, and we got three experience. Reply to a post, we will get two experiences. Subscribe to a collection, one experiences, and add some basic information in the profile, then you will get the 15 experience. So total you will get 20 experience, and then you will be moving to the level one. So we have done the first part. We need to do this one. Let's do it on a very quick note. Let's suppose if I go to my points, right, just to check how many experiences I am right now having. Right now I am having five experiences because you can see first post three experience, and two experience for the commenting. So we are having right now five. Now we will move to the collection. So for example, you can see the collection over here. I can subscribe to any one which I like. For example, I want to read the community blogs. I'll subscribe it, click yes, and then I'll get one experience. So right now I am having six experience. I need 15 more. And I've already told you the process. I need to add some basic information. Email address, nationality, nickname, and avatar. Nickname we have already set. Email address we have already set. Nationality we have already set. We just need to add one avatar. So let's get back to the our profile. So now we are on the profile page. Right now we don't have any avatar. Let's click on it and we can choose anyone picture. Let's suppose right now I'm looking for some decent picture. So I'm more interested in 5G. So let's suppose we can put. Okay, so we have set the avatar. Now we have some information notification available. So let's see what are these. One more from the so we got the notification. So after reading the notification, let's get back to see what are the status of points. Now you can see I have two posts, one comments, and I got 2 lakhs as well. So I'm lucky. Then go to the my points, and now you can see right now I have only six experiences. I did not get 15 experiences for adding the profile. Let's see if something is missing. So actually right now I need a verification because I have not added country. I have added name and nickname. Let's edit it and add the country as well. Let's search Pakistan and click on the save. Now, okay, still we are not having 15 screens. So because we have not verified the email address yet, right? So we'll go to the profile and click on the send verification and let's wait for code to arrive on our box. Now you can see I'll get email verification email and just click over it and then I'll be right now maybe I can bind a phone number later. Let's see if I got some points. Now you can see I got 15 experiences and I'm on level 1. Previously I was on a level 0. That's why it was not. So it was a great trick for you to get on level 1 with very minimum effort. So thank you again for your time. Our profile is set up. We are good to learn. We are good to earn. And thank you for watching. And thank you for our enterprise support community. Thank you.